Thank you very much. Thank you very much. For all our DAP candidates who are here somewhere, and the whole mass of people here today, I think I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming out in this hot afternoon, in this small room, for this DAP function. I'm sure you did not come here to see me.
Yes, we do.
No, you all did not come here to see me. You all come here to see hope. You all did not come here to see me. You all come here to see hope. The hope that you all have within yourselves. The hope that you all have within Pakatan Rakyat. The hope for Ubah. We have waited 56 years. 56 long years. 56 years of long waiting. And finally, we see the hope of change. Ini kalilah. Ini kalilah is respond. Let's do that one more time, okay? Ini kalilah. Ini kalilah. Ini kalilah. That is what we are fighting for. Mengapa kita mesti ubah? 56 tahun Barisan Nasional perintah tak baik ni.
Ramai.
Dia bagi kita RM500 loh.
Saya kasih dia RM1,000.
Tahun lepas 500, tahun ini 500, RM1,000 loh. Tak bagus lah.
Kalau bagus, Rasmat kami tak baik. Kita punya baik.
Saya pun setuju tak bagus. Mengapa saya cakap tak bagus? Kerana 56 tahun baru boleh bagi RM1,000. Satu tahun pun tak cukup RM20 lah. Bukan macam Penang. Di Pulau Pinang, kita bagi wang. Tahun kedua kita pun dah bagi wang. Tak payah tunggu 55 tahun, 56 tahun baru bagi wang. Kita bagi wang, kita bagi RM100 tiap-tiap tahun. Tak perlu tunggu hari raya nak datang, baru kita bagi wang. Itu perbezaan BN Pakatan Rakyat. BN bagi 5 tahun satu kali, Pakatan Rakyat bagi tiap-tiap tahun. Itu. Saya rasa tuan-tuan, puan-puan pun setuju. Kalau kita nak pilih, kita pilih kerajaan yang jaga rakyat tiap-tiap tahun daripada yang jaga 5 tahun satu kali. Rugi dong. Jangan rugi dong. The heat of hope is everywhere, not just in Ipoh, I'm sure. I've been to Sabah, I've been to Sarawak, I've been to Johor, I've been to many states, and the heat of hope is very real. When I went to Johor on Saturday night, we have 50,000 people in Skudai, Johor Bahru. And Johor Bahru is a stronghold of Barisan Nasional. And yet, on the first night itself, we have 50,000 people. Can at the back hear me or not? Can you hear me? Then after that, we went to Sabah. Sabah again, one of those safe deposit states of Barisan Nasional. We did a function. We did 8 hours notice. 8 hours notice in Kota Kinabalu. 10,000 people turned up. First time in history you see such a huge crowd in Kota Kinabalu. And they were as enthusiastic as the good people of Ipoh, all roaring for change, all roaring for Ini Kalira! Ini Kalira! Ini Kalira! Then I went to Cebu. Also 10,000 people. And I've been touched by many of the scenes that when we hold meetings at 3 p.m. under the hot sun, we see fine ladies dressed in their best, standing under the hot sun shouting, Ini Kalira! Ini Kalira! Ini Kalira! And even under the rain, heavy rain, in Puchong, thousands of umbrellas, no matter how strong the wind, how heavy the rain, they stood without leaving. Because we have waited for too long. 56 years of corruption, 56 years of oppression, 56 years of repression and suppression, 56 years of having our future robbed by Barisan Nasional. Ini Kalira! Ini Kalira! Ini Kalira! What is the response of Barisan Nasional? Sibuk! What is the response of Barisan Nasional? We talk about the problem of not having a green society, the problems of putting profits above the people's health, the problems of having a Linus rare earth plant. They don't want to listen. When they talk about corruption, they don't want to listen. When they talk about abuse of powers, police, custody, death, they don't want to listen. But when we see the people's response during this election campaign, a miracle of change. What is their response? They use lies. They main fitnah. Nombor 1 fitnah. Video CD seks. Ada tak? Video CD seks. Pemimpin PKR sudah kena. Lepas itu giliran pemimpin PAS. Sehingga sekarang belum ada pemimpin DAP lagi. Tapi kita tahu bila giliran kita lah. Mungkin pun akan sampai giliran kita. Tetapi ada begitu banyak video seks CD, begitu ramai, begitu banyak dekat internet. Tapi semua pun ada begitu banyak. Kita tahu hanya ada satu original saja. Betul dah. Hanya ada satu original saja. Siapa itu? Siapa? Siapa? Wah, you pun ada tengok. Saya tak tengok, saya beritahu sama saya. Kita tahu original satu saja. Tapi BN ingat, kita sama dengan dia. Dia buat, kita pun akan sama-sama buat. Kita nak bagi tahu BN, you kotor tentang kotor, PR bersih. Sama-sama lama-lamanya kita akan jadi bersih. Lepas itu, dia pula akan main. Oh, isu negara Islam, isu hudud. Kita tak nafikan. PAS, DAP ada pendirian masing-masing. We don't deny that we have differences, but we have worked out these differences. You want to fight for your Islamic state hudud, that is your battle. our own battle we don't agree. But let us fight together on common issues we can agree. We agree 95% of the time, 5% we don't agree. That one we don't agree, we put it aside. We agree on fighting corruption, isn't it? We agree on fighting for freedom. We agree on fighting for justice. We agree on fighting for truth. We agree for fighting on democracy. We agree on fighting for a better, cleaner future for our children. And that is what we three parties, PKR, PAS, DAP has agreed. We put it on paper what we agreed. Those we don't agree, it will not be a Pakatan Rakyat Common Manifesto. My friends, they have used that against us 20 years ago. 20 years ago they used that against us. 20 tahun punya cerita ini. 20 tahun dia sudah guna sama kita. Sekarang dia guna lagi sama kita. 20 tahun akan datang. Masa you punya cucu sudah besar, dia pun akan main lagu lama ini. Mengapa? Dia sudah tak ada modal. They are already bankrupt. They got no other issues. And what are the issues they should address? Nombor 1, apa Pakatan Rakyat akan buat bila Pakatan Rakyat menjadi kerajaan? Nombor 1, bila kita jadi kerajaan, kita akan turunkan harga minyak. Hanya bila BN turun, baru harga minyak boleh turun. Nombor 2, kita akan berikan pendidikan percuma sampai peringkat universiti. Nombor 3, kita akan bantu sama suri rumah. Suri rumah yang tak buat kerja, jaga anak-anak. Kita akan masuk tiap-tiap tahun ke EPF RM600. Nombor 4, kita akan ikut apa yang kita buat di Pulau Pinang. Pulau Pinang bagi kepada warga mas RM100 setiap tahun. Tak ada wang mah. Tapi kerajaan pusat banyak wang. Kalau kita menang Putrajaya, kita akan bayar sama warga mas tiap tahun RM1,000. Jaga sama warga mas, kita pun mesti jaga sama orang muda. Nombor 5, kita akan pasang di semua tempat awam, di pekan, di bandar, di kampung baru, di kampung, di ladang estate, free wifi. BN tak akan bagi free wifi. Mengapa dia tak akan bagi free wifi?
Malaysia kini.
Kalau you bagi free wifi, you tak akan baca News Times, Star, Putusan, semua akan baca Malaysia kini. BN boleh tutup kedai lah. Nombor 6, kita akan hapuskan kemiskinan. Jangan cakap kita tak boleh buat. Kita janji kita akan buat dalam 5 tahun. We will wipe out poverty in 5 years. Just as we have done in Penang, Pulau Pinang, kita berjaya hapuskan kemiskinan 2013 dalam 5 tahun. Barisan Nasional 50 tahun tak boleh buat. Saya pergi Sabah, kita lihat 10,000 orang keluar, begitu marah. Kita tak faham mengapa negeri paling kaya, rakyat paling miskin. Tengok Sabah, apa pun ada, tapi mengapa rakyat apa pun tak ada? Sabah minyak ada, gas ada, tanah ada, balak pun ada. Malangnya buaya pun ada. Ini bukan buaya sungai, oh. Buaya sungai senang kita kasih tembak mati. Ini buaya darat duduk dekat office punya, duduk aircon punya. Ini bahaya, oh. Di Pulau Pinang kita sudah tangkap semua buaya darat ini. Di Sabah ada banyak lagi ya. Di Perak masih ada lagi ya. Itu sebab kita kena pilih calon-calon DAP Pakatan Rakyat. Kita kena tumbangkan Barisan Nasional. Kita kena ubah. Nombor 7, kita akan hapuskan rasuah. Itu janji kita. Kita akan hapuskan rasuah. Macam kita buat dekat Penang. Kerajaan bersih. Rakyat senang. Kerajaan bersih tiap-tiap tahun untung. Kita bagi wang. Kita buat jalan. Kita buat longkang. Kita buat taman. Kita buat Dewan Orang Ramai. Kita buat lagi banyak daripada kerajaan dulu. Kita akan hapuskan rasuah. Rasuah sekarang serius tak? Serius, sangat serius. You know, you look at, I don't want to compare Malaysia with Singapore, Taiwan, Hong Kong. Let's compare with one country, South Korea. If you tell me 5 years ago I will be buying South Korean phones, I say you crazy, huh? Isn't it? But now everybody buying Samsung phones. Correct, no? Just as now everybody chasing after Korean stars. Not only you all, my daughter chase after Korean movie and singers. Even Prime Minister Najib also like Korean stars. You all remember not when he went to Penang? Masa dia pergi Pulau Pinang, dia tak berani datang satu orang. Dia minta siapa timan sama dia? No, Rosman. Tapi lepas itu dia panggil satu artis ikut sama dia. Siapa? Kerana dia rasa bahawa orang Penang akan datang jumpa sama dia. Ada datang tak? Ada. Datang tengok saya, bukan tengok haji. Wah, hari itu dia sudah naik shock. Tengok begitu ramai orang. Dia tanya, are you ready for song? Are you ready for song? Are you ready for song? Lepas itu dia nak main tipu. Macam mana dia main tipu? Tukar side, tukar BN dengan side. Dia ingat orang pun akan teriak yes. Tapi orang Penang bukan bodoh. So bila dia tanya, are you ready for BN? No! Are you ready for BN? No! Are you ready for BN? No! Habislah BN dekat Penang. Tuan-tuan sekalian, saya sebut perkara ini. Mengapa? Kerana buat kali pertama saya datang Malaysia. Mengapa dia tak pergi Johor, ibu kuat BN? Mengapa dia tak pergi kampung Najib Pahang? Mengapa dia tak datang Perak? Tapi dia pergi mana? Negeri Pakatan Rakyat Pulau Pinang. Mengapa? Kerana rakyat Pulau Pinang 2008 berani tumbangkan Barisan Nasional. Itu sebab saya bagi tahu orang Johor, itu yang saya akan sebut hari ini. Kalau you berani tumbangkan Barisan Nasional, lain kali bukan saja saya datang, Shah Rukh Khan pun mungkin datang. 哇，如果你能够地方国政不是赛来，有可能中董也来。李小友，哎呀，ini李小友 sorry 啦。Dia orang Ibu lah. Okay lah, I got the answer already lah. Don't have to say anymore. So itu yang kita nak tegaskan. Ini kerajaan Barisan Nasional. Dia sudah lebih. Dia ingat dia rasuah, orang akan lupa. Tapi rakyat ada mata. Rakyat ada mata tengok Korea Selatan. Mengapa pada suatu ketika lagi miskin daripada Malaysia? You know, at one time Korea was poorer than Malaysia. 1970 per capita GDP 230 US dollars. Malaysia 380. Ahead of South Korea. Now Malaysia how much? God improvement not 9,005 US dollars per capita. Korea 22,000. Why? Because Korea took serious action against corruption, isn't it? You know, if you are involved in corruption, they don't care who you are. Even ex-president also, they will go for you until you die. And then really die one. Isn't it? Really die one. I am not using a figure of speech, you know. They will go for you until you die. Wow, 在韩国他们要诉谈啊，他们追究啊，追到你死啊！哎，我不是讲说，只是讲罢了，追到你死，真正死了。You all remember the former president of South Korea? Yes. What did he do? Committed suicide because of a corruption investigation. Here in Malaysia, will it happen now? You remember what the Sarawak chief minister said? Oh, you know, both of us are chief ministers. Really lah, we are on a different league lah. Rich man, poor man. Just like Robert Kiyosaki's book, you know. Rich dad, poor dad. This one really rich CM, poor CM. You know what he said when the SPRM supposed to investigate him? What did he say? So elegant, don't want to cooperate with you. Why? You very naughty. You dishonest, can talk like that one. Chief Minister can talk like that to the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission. Where got respect for rule of law? Oh, he thinks he's the White Raja. You know, under the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission Act, if you refuse to cooperate with the MACC, you can go to prison one. Section 47, 48 states, you refuse to cooperate, you can be fined 10,000 ringgit, can go to prison 2 years. How come MACC did not take action against Taib Mahmud? Why? Because this is Barisan national culture. That is why if we change, my friends, we change, PR comes into power, we will tell MACC, kita akan bagi tahu SPRM, Suruhanjaya Pencegah Rasuah Malaysia. Jangan takutlah, jangan takutlah. Jangan takutlah, jangan takutlah. Bagi siasat sampai habis Ketua Menteri Sarawak. Under BN, SPRM Suruhanjaya Pencegah Rasuah Malaysia, sebenarnya Suruhanjaya Penutup Rasuah Malaysia. Itulah sebabnya kita harus ubah, betul tak? Betul. Macam Korea Selatan maju kerana hapuskan rasuah. Malaysia punya rasuah teruk. Do you know how serious the corruption is in Malaysia? Very serious. Okay lah, I can give you the figures. You all know the figures. Saya tak mau sebut angka. We just say the perception. The perception from the ordinary man in the street. How serious corruption is now in Malaysia. Dulu, kalau kita dengar orang curi wang adalah curi bala ada, curi tanah ada. Sekarang curi wang ada, curi tanah ada, curi bala ada, tapi lembu pun curi juga. Betul tak? Dulu mana curi lembu, sekarang curi lembu. Itu pejabat enjin pun boleh curi. Kalau BN terus perintah, besok hari anjing kucing pun curi.